Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert page number in your MS Word document. So to insert page number, as we can see friends, we have this document and it has about 260 page, but there is not any page has number. So to insert page number, just click on insert, then click on page number. Add page number the pages in your document. You can choose from a variety of predefined looks or select your own format. So click here and select area where you want to insert your page number, like in this plain number. In center there is another some style like this. So very simple method to insert page number. You can change style of page number. So double click on it and in here select another style like this. So hopefully friends, by this quick method we can know how to insert page number in MS Word document. So very simple, just you need to click on insert, then click on page number and select where you want to add page number, like top of page, bottom of page, page margins and current position. So select is your choice, and if you want to remove, so just click on remove page number. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.